The 2023 GWM Ute Cannon-XSR is the new flagship of the GWM Ute line, featuring a different four-wheel drive system and additional off-road features. Priced at $52,990 drive-away, it competes well in the market, offering a unique blend of rugged aesthetics and functional off-road capabilities. The interior stands out with its premium feel, but there are some tech-related cons. The identity crisis around the Ute's name is also highlighted. Pros: inclusions inspire confidence in novice off-roaders. High quality and comfortable interior. Competitive pricing in the segment. Cons: adequate power, but not exceptional. Ride quality can be an issue. Some tech features need improvement. Pricing: the GWM Ute Cannon-XSR is priced at $52,990 drive-away, or $51,490 for ABN holders. It competes well with other off-road variants in its segment, offering a good balance of features for the price. Interior: the interior of the Cannon-XSR is highlighted as one of the nicest in its segment, featuring high-quality materials, comfortable seats, and functional design. However, there are some minor gripes with the switchgear and the infotainment system. The overall interior design resembles the last-generation Haval SUV. Under the bonnet, powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder turbo diesel engine, the Cannon-XSR produces 120 kilowatts of power and 400 Newton-meters of torque. It uses an 8-speed automatic transmission and a part-time four-wheel drive system. The off-road capabilities are enhanced with selectable drive modes, locking differentials, and a new underbody bash plate. Driving experience: on-road performance is described as not significantly different from other Cannons. The engine, while lacking in power compared to rivals, performs adequately. The ride quality is a drawback, especially on patchier roads. Off-road, the Cannon-XSR shines, instilling confidence in novice off-roaders with features like locking differentials, crawl mode, and advanced camera views. Safety: the GWM Ute Cannon-XSR received a 5-star NCAP rating, but there were modifications to meet the standards. Standard safety features include AEB, 7 airbags, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and more. However, blind spot monitoring is notably absent. Cost to run: the Cannon-XSR comes with a 7-year, unlimited kilometer warranty, and 5 years of roadside assistance. Capped price servicing is offered, with the first service costing $260 and subsequent services capped at $360. Wear and tear items are not included in the capped pricing. Conclusion: the GWM Ute Cannon-XSR makes a strong case with its modern off-road features and competitive pricing. It caters to those who seek a rugged off-roader with a premium interior. However, there are compromises in on-road performance, and the engine may feel underpowered for some buyers. Choosing the Cannon-XSR depends on the preference for off-road capabilities over on-road comfort. If off-road adventures are not a priority, more affordable Cannon variants with full-time four-wheel drive might be recommended.